What is going on, my future meta millionaires? It is your boy, Terry Stonkers, and welcome to my channel, baby, Buy the Dip. All right, guys, in today's video, we are here to talk about the short squeeze of a lifetime. That's right, baby, MMTLP, and that baby is back on the rise again, and it's exciting times. So let's first cover the futures for tomorrow, because as of right now, the futures are looking green. And with a green day on top of the momentum that we have had today can make for an exciting day tomorrow. Keep in mind, most stocks were getting destroyed today, and here we are, MMTLP up over 11%. So let's freaking go. That's what I'm talking about. Other stocks are getting destroyed, and we're just making gains in this market. So currently, the S&P futures is up 18 points. The Dow futures is up 162 points. The NASDAQ futures is up 52 points. And the Russell is up 13 points, and crude oil is just about a half a point green. All right, so here we go, guys. Let's take a look at it. MMTLP finished today at $5.68. We gained 58 cents today, up 11.37%. As you can see here, the average volume for MMTLP is about 650,000 shares, and we beat that today. We traded 684,000 shares. So way to go on that. Now, I wanted to show you this here. As you can see on the chart here, the one-day chart up 11%. On the 5-day chart, we are up 40%. On the 1-month chart, we are up 276%. And should I show you the 6-month chart, we're up 350%. As you know, I've been a buyer of this since day one, which was October 7th, 2021, which means I have a lot of my initial buys in long-term capital gains. So yeah, I'm sitting there with 300, 400, 500% gains. Actually, probably more than that now, because yeah, I was buying at 70 cents, 80 cents, $1, $1.25, $1.10, $1.50. And even most recently, I bought 100 shares at $5, guys. That says a lot. When you got an investor out there buying at the initial prices and we're still buying here at $5, that says a lot. All right, so let's keep going here. Our buddy Paul here just tweeted about the MMTLP short report. So let's go over this numbers here. Here we go. This week, 745,000 shares, which is 37.2% of the volume, were shorted. From the past 13 days, 14.6 million shares, which is 53% of the volume, were shorted. Only 300,000 shares are left to borrow at a 22% fee. Shorts have eased their attack. They now realize resistance is futile. And here we go on the chart here Paul put together. So thank you, sir, on that. Beautiful information here, as always, from Mr. Paul. Appreciate his stuff. So there you go. Go check him out there on Twitter, guys. Get some excellent DD. Paulus Greatest right there. And you can follow him under that. Or you can find him under my page if you don't have him. But if you're following MMTLP, you'll probably see that gentleman. All right, and here we go. What he was sharing there is part of this here, MMTLP on iBorrowDesk. And here you can see there is, as of today, 300,000 shares available at the 22%. Shows it right there. If we go over here and look on the OTCShortReport.com, you can see here, yesterday we covered how it was 40%, 44%, 45%, 45%, 70%, 67, 67. You get the drift. And on yesterday, the 25th, we got that updated short volume, which was 44%. So here you can see there was about 645,000 in volume yesterday, and they shorted about 286,000 in volume, which made it 44%. All right. Also, in other great news, as you saw, if you follow me on Twitter at TerryZ247, baby, we were trending number 3 on StockTwits, man. So that was super exciting. I was glad I was able to grab the screenshot to be able to show you that we were trending number 3 right there. And for good reasons, as we were up 9%. If you look here, Dogecoin was up 9%, but like Google's down 8%. Meta, let's put it this way, the fake Meta, the Facebook Meta, not the real Meta Materials, but Meta Facebook was down 6% at that point. Boeing was down 9%. Do you see the Google 8%? Microsoft down 6.5%. And here we are, MMTLP up 9%. Let's go, man. That's what it's all about. And it was kind of tricky that that shortly disappeared. It wasn't up there long. So we were trending. We were one of the few stocks that was really green, us and Doge, and then we just disappeared. So I found that very interesting. And I mean, as you look at the chart here on the 1 day, I mean, we had momentum like all day on that chart. I mean, you know, it was just your typical stair stepping all day, but it, you know, it pretty much leveled out really good. So I don't know why we dropped off the way we did. But anyway, that's what they'll try to do, guys. All right, now we got this post out here. I found this very interesting. A lot of people saying, could this be the real guy? Is it not the real guy? We don't know. But all we could do is take it for face value and what it is. And we'll go over maybe with some of the speculation around it. All right, so I do want to welcome Stanley Tuck here to the Meta fam. So welcome aboard, sir. If we go over here to his profile, he has returned a follow to me. So thank you so much. And he is currently following a lot of the MetaFam people, and they are following him back. Now, a lot of people's wondering, who is Stanley Tuck? Or Tucci, I should say. Stanley Tucci. I just say Tuck because that's what his Twitter handle is under. But here you go. He is an American actor and filmmaker involved in acting from a young age. Here you can see some of the movies and TV shows here, man. Very popular stuff. My buddy William on the Facebook group sent me that Stanley Tucci was based in the Hunger Games host on Graham Norton. So he was a part of some big projects. Here you see Captain America, Supernova, The Devil Wears Prada. He has his own, you can see here, Searching for Italy with his name there. So pretty exciting stuff here, guys, that we got this pretty well-known actor, but his Twitter account doesn't really show that. But I did go back and I was going over his post, and he was posting back like 6 months to a year ago. So he was very active on this account, posting about like AMC. I saw Palantir, GME, a lot of the SPACs. So he was into posting about a lot of the hype plays back then. So it could be the real guy. It may not be, but we'll take it for what it is. So if we go here to the post, here it is. Every time shorts throw an attack is more people waiting to buy the dip. This is great. Probably one of the best investments since I started trading. So that is awesome to hear because he was posting, as you can see here, AMC, Tesla, Ape, and he has MMTLP there. So we are probably the best performing one if he's bought back when it was trading a while back. Now we're going to get into some interesting stuff. You can see he has a little bit of desserts here, a little bit of wine, fancy stuff here going on. And we got a reply down here from Gardner Wade. That's right, from MetaMaterials team themselves. He said, the odds are in our favor, Caesar Flickerman. Will you serve those appetizers for Elon when he joins us in outer space? So that's kind of a tweet that's saying that we're going to the moon. On space, we're going to the moon. I found that very bullish. As you can see here, a lot of the MetaFam is replying back here to this tweet from Stanley Tucci and Gardner Wade here. And I believe if we get down here he says, Kevin Dolan says, I truly believe we are in for an unforgettable ride. And Stanley Tucci says, I think we are. So that is pretty much. Oh, okay, so here you can see Black Cat here. We start to get a little bit of answers. You're one of my favorite actors. I've never been disappointed in any of your performances. That being said, I'm glad you're in the fight. He said, thank you so much. I thought I was hiding here. So maybe that's part of what it is, guys. You know, he's a pretty popular guy, and he just wanted to come out and trade. Maybe he loves trading, and he just wanted to be, maybe he's friends with Gardner Wade. I don't know. Anything is possible, but we'll take this for what it is. As of right now, nothing sketchy's happened. Nothing makes me believe this isn't him. He's not out here trying to scam people, ask people for money. So it makes you think it is the real deal. So maybe he just doesn't have a huge Twitter account because he's just talking about stocks. And people don't know he's actually on here, you know, as an actor. He's not really posting about acting and stuff. So we will take that for what it is. So, all right, guys, that is all I got for you in today's video. Stupid Yahoo Finance again with the ads. They get me every time, every video they get me. I hope you like the shirt. Guys, just hold it. And if you're not holding it, just buy the dip. And in this case, buy the rip, because that's what I've been doing, actually. As you saw there, I posted last week where I bought
Hyundai Tucson versus Nissan Rogue. Look
Me and this Yahoo Finance is going to have it out. All right, I had to take it off Yahoo Finance. I don't know what the deal is. Probably a meme now that the Yahoo Finance is getting me with the ads of the car makers. But anyway, guys, that is all I got for you in today's video. Smash thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and I'll catch y'all next video, guys. Peace.